Students from the Masters of Sport Business Management program at the University of the West Indies Mona campus hosted a workshop recently highlighting the importance of athletes planning for their future after sports. More in this report.
Retired boxer Sakima Mullings says he jumped at the opportunity to share his knowledge with athletes because he understands the significance of being prepared for what comes next. The workshop focused on careers in sports and life after sports. Mullings says athletes need to have a good support system outside of just their coaches.
You should have a support system that helps you prepare for your financial aspect. You know, setting up a budget, you're investing your insurances and a pension, and also in terms of your physical health and your mental health, like the sports psychologist. It's about having the career development, the person that helps you navigate the pitfalls in terms of what you should be aware of or what you should be doing in this part of your career, but not in terms of you being an athlete, but you yourself becoming a brand, you yourself becoming a product.
One of the students from the Masters in Sport Business Management program, Melissa Fletcher, said the decision to focus on athletes' retirement options, given its importance, was a no-brainer.
This is one area that we have not heard many noise on, so we think that we want to at least bring some light to it to encourage our current athletes in high school or in the secondary level, where we can come and say, hey, I want you guys to remember that there is life after sports and that you have to have a plan B, a plan C. We can always say that we're going to be professional athletes, but things can happen in the future where something happened and you have to step back. So I think that's one of the main motivation for us to choose this topic as a group. Director of Community Service and Development at UTech, Paulton Gordon, said sports tourism could prove to be a great outlet for retired athletes.
And we're thinking that needs a lot of attention, and there are a lot of opportunities there, both in terms of actual working in a regular job and also entrepreneurship. It's an emerging field. I think it's untapped, and it requires some coming together and integration to really ensure that the opportunities that are presenting themselves, they can actually capitalize on them.
And Deputy Dean in the Faculty of Sport, Dr. Sharmila Rupchand Martin, explained the importance of athletes being prepared for retirement.
It's probably one of the things that we don't focus on enough from very early on with our athletes. Hence, you see a lot of them struggle with that transition. In particular, the ones who may have ended up with, an early end to their career because of injury, and, they would have been thinking, I've got another 10, probably 15 years of this.